Hello YouTube, my name is Peter Kingston. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to, the last video we collected our wallet address from the Waves Exchange. Okay, so back on the WeShare Abundance dashboard. So what we need to do now is verify our account. Okay, so back on the dashboard, so if you go to profile details, and here it's profile status, profile not completed, and KYC. Everybody has to do KYC, so that stands for know your customer. Okay, so let's manage that first. Okay, so this is your profile. So it is pretty much explanatory. So your first name, last name, date of birth, your address, city, zip, country, phone number. Now this beneficiary name, this is who will take your account or take over your account if anything happens to you. I wouldn't worry about this just at the minute, but as long as you're aware, because WeShare Abundance, they intend to be here for a long time, so that's why you can create a beneficiary account. Anyway, let's move on. KYC. So for the KYC, you need a driving license or passport or official identity card. And so basically, if it's your driving license, just put your driving license identification number in here, ID, then you click on whichever one you want. So it's driver's license, and they have a new thing here. If it's in a foreign language, because this is going to be global, they can type in this box, and as long as it matches the verification, you can go from there. Okay, so let me see. So browse. Okay, so if you browse, type in your thing, and what you need to do is you need to save a picture of your ID in your files. Okay, so let's see, browse. Okay, so this will be your files in here. So I'm not going to go through my files just at the minute, because I don't really want to. But this is where you can take a picture of your driving license or your passport. What I do with mine is I take a picture on my phone, and then I send it to myself via email. So then it's on my laptop, and I open up the email and download it. And when I download it, imagine this picture here is my driving license. I'll just click on that and open it, and it'll come here. Okay, and so that's the identification. And selfie, choose file. So basically, if you're using your driving license, take a picture of you holding your driving license. So again, browse my files. So once you uploaded your picture, same thing, go back into your desktop or downloads, choose your file with you holding your driving license, passport, whichever it may be. Click on that, open it up, and it will pick your file here. And then your proof of address, a bill dated in the last 3 months. So this again could be gas bill, council bill, a bank statement, as long as it's within the 3 months. And when you submit your documents, the support are very good. They will either pass your documents or let you know why they have failed. Okay, thanks for watching. My name is Peter Kingston. I'll see you in the next video.